everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to teach you guys how to dance Igbo Kwenu. Most of you have been asking me to do the tutorial, to teach you guys how to dance it, and today I've made out time to do this. So for those of you that are just joining us today, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video to your friends. Okay, thank you so much for joining, guys. Thank you for always coming back. I really appreciate it. One love. So let's go straight to business. So if you want to dance this Igbo Kwenu, you know it's all the dance is centered on your waist. Your waist has to be very flexible when dancing this dance. You have to free yourself, like free yourself. Somebody told me in the comment section that whenever she's dancing this dance, she always finds it difficult based on her legs to be moving. Like, let me just do a practice, something like this. I don't know if that is how you're dancing it, but I guess so. So if you want to dance this Igbo Kwenu, it's not about the bum size, okay? It's about the flexibility of your waist. So I'm going to teach it step by step. First of all, like I said, your waist, right? So you have to like bend down. Then when you go down like this, then your waist, you learn to control your waist. Like, okay, let me do it this way. Like those of us that knows how to wind, like how to wind our waist, how to twist and the rest. So just imagine you're twisting, and then you're going down, and then you're doing it like that. Just imagine that feeling, the way you free yourself to roll your waist, you twist and the rest. That same way you free yourself, allow your waist to enjoy the music, roll it very well. So your legs, your waist, your hand, the way you move your hand also matters, and then your smile. Yes, in my previous video I talked about that. So your legs, your waist, your smile, your hand, it matters. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to bend. Then my hand, I can see me, I'm holding this hostel. You can get an handkerchief if you prefer. Then leg. So I'm first of all going to start with the 1, 2, 3. As I'm doing 1, your leg is going 1. As I'm moving this other one, your waist. As I'm moving this other leg, your waist is going with it ahead. Just like when you chain a go like this. As I'm doing like this again, you see it? That is how your waist will be going. Just control your waist. Your waist shouldn't control you. You should be the one controlling your waist, okay? So it's very easy. Just like this. As I'm doing like this, chain a go. So that same way. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Sorry. Take note of the way I'm doing my leg like this, please. Just take note of it, please. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Control your waist. 3, 4. Then now let me move with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. You turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. You turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. I'm actually dancing it slow because for the beginners, because we don't have to start dancing like professionals ASAP, so that those that are just starting from square one, they'll pick it up with us. Okay. So as I'm doing this, please follow. Try to do it also. Like do the practice with me. 1, chain a go like this. 2, like this. 3, like this. 4. Just do it like that. Now I want to make it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you're doing it very fast, it's no longer be like you're depending on your feet this time to move 1, 2. This time when you're dancing very fast, it now depends on your waist. That was the reason why I said you'll be the one to control your waist. You'll be the one to control the movement of your waist. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As I'm dancing, you see the way I'm swinging my hands. If you're holding handkerchief, you're also swinging. You'll be swinging the handkerchief as you're dancing it. It adds beauty to the dance, okay? But it's not as if you can't dance this and start handkerchief. For instance, let me go to this thing. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see the way I placed my hand. You can do your hand like this. 2, 3, 4. So, like I said, it requires the movement of your hand. You cannot just put your hand like this and you'll be dancing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. No, you have to move it. 1, 3, 4, 1. Another step I'm going to throw light on, like another way to dance it. I'm going to throw light on before I end this video. And then before I end the video, I'm actually going to do a practice with the song. It's like this. The one that you don't have to move, you just drop your leg. Let me face back, please. Like this. That's one. For the beginners, please. You know, I mentioned earlier that imagine when you're twisting your waist, like when you're winding to this P square, roll it, P square song, roll it. I like the way you roll your hair. That's the way. Roll it for the culture, okay? Roll it for culture. This one, I put up, roll it for hip hop, roll it for culture. You see the way I'm doing it? So while you're rolling it like this, small, be adding the physio, like 1, like this, rolling it. You're rolling your waist. You're winding. You're twisting. You're going down, go down. Wind it for daddy. Another thing is putting your hand on your knee, like holding your waist like this. Let me do it. You see the way I'm doing it? Now, let's go. This one is fast. I'm used to dancing very fast, but I'm trying to be slow for the beginners. Then when you are rolling it like this, when you are doing it like this, small like that, be trying to control your waist, be trying to move your waist, like be trying to take possession of your waist. Don't just allow your waist to move. You can just free your waist, but take possession of it. Don't. Some people, while they dance, they'll say their leg is don't do all focus on your waist. For the beginners, please, that's why I'm slow. It's not as if you continue dancing like this. While you're dancing it, please be adding styles, be adding a physique. So while you're doing it like this, now imagine doing it very fast. Like it's not about breaking the waist again. Now just fast, free your waist, very fast, without obstruction, like without trying to do it like, make it look like you're just learning, like you're learning. Do it very fast. Just free yourself, allow it flow. Let it flow, like free yourself. As very easy, as simple as that, okay? So I'm going to use music this time to play it so that you watch me dance with music. I hope I've been of little help to you. I hope you've learned something today. And I hope you're going to put it into practice. Because practice makes perfect. If you don't practice, you're not going to know how to dance it. You have to keep practicing it consistently. If you have a standing mirror, stand in front of your mirror, watch yourself dance and tell yourself, I am doing it, I am getting it. For those of you that want to get married, like for a traditional marriage, practice it. It's very easy to dance. Please don't allow your husband to win you while dancing. Please don't allow your husband to win you. Free yourself, dance very well. If possible, go to his front and shake it for you very well. Okay? So stand in front of a mirror, practice it, learn how to dance it. Like, keep consistently, because consistent practice will make you perfect. Okay? So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. If you are just joining us, please subscribe to my channels, please. I need more subscribers on my channel, please. Subscribe to my channel, I beg you. Please, should I need that? Okay, let me need that. Please, subscribe to my channel. Please, hit the subscribe button. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Like my video, like that thumbs up. Please hit it. Yes. Give me a thumbs up, then hit the subscribe button and comment. Make sure you drop a comment for me. I want to read your comments. Drop a comment for me. Tell me what you think. Tell me any other difficulty any other challenge that you faced while practicing it, okay? So if I have to do the practice again, I will know, okay? So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate. Thank you. Until next time, see you next time. Goodbye. Bye.